Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Clubhouse app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps. When you just click on apps, it's going to take you to this list here. And here you're looking for Clubhouse app. Or just click on search, then here add Clubhouse, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list here, and here you click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.